Input the customer feedbacks in this section. Then click on Run Analysis. It will calculate positive percentage, negative and neutral percentage with the help of the above feedback list. And you will also get the positive feedback, negative feedback and neutral feedbacks classified in these three tables. As a social media manager, we use sentiment analysis tools to monitor brand sentiment and tailor our social media strategy accordingly. In a role of customer experience analyst, we utilize sentiment analysis to understand customer feedback and drive improvements in our products and services. Now let's see how to install this tool and from where we can get the tool. To get this tool, you can visit www.DataInNutshell.com like this. Then look for sentiment analysis thumbnail and click on check details. You will be directed to this page for more details, and once you make the payment from here, you will find the download URL on the thank you page. Once the zip file is downloaded, then you can unzip and extract it all in your computer as shown and run the main.exe file from the folder. Now your tool is ready to serve you. So now let's paste some feedbacks in this section and test our results. So I have taken these feedbacks from a product and I've pasted these 10 feedbacks in this section. After this, I'm going to click on Run Analysis, and you can see that it has classified all the feedbacks under these three headers: positive, negative and neutral. Let's check the feedbacks. The product exceeded my expectation is positive. I received excellent customer service is positive. The website was easy to use, had no problems is positive. The delivery was on time and the packaging was adequate. Cool. If I go and check negative feedbacks, I found the website difficult. It is a negative. The quality of the product was poor and not worth. It is also negative. I had a negative experience with the customer service. The product was average. It met my expectation but did exceed them. All these are negative. Now we have neutral as well. The product arrived damaged and customer service was unhelpful. The delivery was delayed multiple times without any communication. So although this could be a negative review, but it is not about the product, it is about the delivery. Make sure that even AI tools are subject to verification. Since this tool is based on natural language processing, please use and verify the output. If you need a customized tool for your service or product, feel free to contact me in the comment section. I hope you will like this tool. Thank you very much.